Ba, it's been 7 years since we first met. For 1 month, nagka-chat tayo and after that, naging tayo na for 1 month. 1 month kasing nagkagusto ka agad sa akin.
Ba, as we decided on forever, let me thank God kasi He had blessed me with a wonderful man like you. And as we step onto this new chapter, I hope we will grow together as one, matured as one, and stay strong as one. I cannot promise everything will go smoothly as planned, but I will always be here with you as I used to always.
For your happiness and for your love, I'd give my last breath from this moment on.
Ano to, 2 days staycation, laman. Yung machine with thermometer.
No.
Shark na Koreano.
Okay, paring Siron. Paring Den.
Ang sakit ng likod ko.
Ang ganda na sulat, ha? Pinaghandaan talaga ako, nag-prepare nito talaga. Oh! Ayun daw. Utak. Sana lagi mo isuot. Isa yan sa tanda na mahal na mahal.
I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on.
Simula pa lang, minahal na kita. And hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita. And today ba, the day we've been waiting for has finally come. Sana maging happy ka sa araw na ito, kagaya ko.
Basta stay put lang tayo palagi natin kasama si Lord sa lahat ng tatahakin natin. Let us put our trust in Him always, for He will not fail us. Magkalayo man tayo palagi, always remember that my heart stays with you all the time. Together, we will build a happy and contented family with guidance ng Lord.
Ba, gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you sa lahat ng suporta na binigay mo sa akin simula nung maging tayo. So maraming salamat at sana maging happy ka sa araw na ito na dumating.
After the long wait, it's finally here. We finally are tying the knot in awe of God's grace. Truly, tama talaga si Lord that there is no late in His timing.
Wow! Sana all. I hope magamit mo this gift. I miss you.
I love you.
I love you. I see you later.
Pinurek.
Nakatawa. Wow.
Kuya, bagay sa akin yan.
Thank you!
Oh my God.
Oh, ganun ulit.
Basahin ulit yan.
Ikip mo siya at lagi isuot para lagi mo ako maalala. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you ba?
I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I'd give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From
Basta, tandaan mo lagi na nasa isip at puso kita. Magkasama tayo anuman ang mangyari sa hirap at ginhawa.
Thank you for the respect you have shown me all throughout this year. I love you to infinity and beyond.
Mamahalin kita hanggat kaya ko. Ba, mahal na mahal kita. Sana maging mahaba ang ating pagsasama. Till death do us part. I love you, Ba.